I want to show you how to make a funny meme using a free app. I have an iPhone. I'm gonna use the app Phonto. Looking for a funny picture in my photo album, and I like to use my cat. She's very funny. This is a nice picture. She's very lazy, so I'm gonna make a funny meme regarding her laziness. I uploaded the picture in the app, in Phonto app, and now I'm gonna I'm gonna write something. We add test and we say, let's say, what do I want to say about that? Me every Sunday. Lazy Sunday, lazy Sunday. So you can move the, I want to put it here, okay? And the style, let's see the text color, make it a different, maybe this color is better. And with maybe a black stroke. Let's see. It's popping up. Me every Sunday. Okay? Save image. That's it. Here you have it.